Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you honestly how much support I've received from this copper knee sleeve by JIUFENTIAN. So this knee brace has a truly high copper content. It's 60% copper infused nylon, so it promotes blood circulation, which really helps you to recover faster. And it has this latex anti-slip strip, which is very comfortable, but also actually helps it to stay in place, which is what you want. Whether you're walking, you're sitting, you know that it's going to stay put. And it also has it at the bottom, so it's very comfortable. But it also folds up quite small, and it's quite convenient to carry. It's got a really high stretch compression fabric, and it completely wraps around your knee, so it offers a really superior protection. It stabilizes the knee, and it really protects the meniscus, and it reduces wear and tear. And because of the design, you're actually able to wear it all day long, and you can wear it on its own or even under tights. So I've worn it to work or when doing volunteer work, and because it's so discreet, I can honestly wear it every day, and I've really appreciated the support. That's my point of view.